Hey guys, I'm testing out the new functionality here for the shipping discount, and I've already found some bugs. So I'm hoping you guys could QA this a little better before you turn it over to us. So you can see that right here, I'm going very simple. If order subtotal is more than $100, take 100% off of shipping, okay? And then I'm gonna go and no coupon code. So then I'm going to go to the site. All right, this is the dev site, and I'm going to add. Let me just check the cart to make sure it's empty. Okay, so I'm going to clear the cart. All right, so I'm going to add 2 bottles of this $45 wine, which should make it $90, and it does. Okay, and so the discount doesn't apply here because obviously we need $100 based on our rules. So I'm going to update this. I'm going to add a 3rd bottle, and there's my first bug. So you can see if you go to the live site, this bug doesn't exist. So this bug has to have something to do with what you guys did. This is the live site. I was on the dev site before, and you can see if I click in the cart to update the number of bottles, instantly right there it works. And so whatever you guys did introduced some bug into the backend because we haven't changed a line of code on the dev site, and this was working before. So we're going to need you to troubleshoot that. And then now if I go back here, and let me just go ahead and manually add this on the dev site. Okay, add to cart. So now it says cart updated. So that's weird. It's that cart updated should be dynamic, the way it works over here, you see? And it seems to be like when you close the cart and reopen it, it's then adds that. So I don't know what's happening here, but there's a bug. So now you can see 225, so that would put us in the range needed for the free shipping, okay? But then now I have this weird shipping flat rate. And if I put my zip code in, it says shipping $30, shipping discount amount $30, and then shipping, it says flat rate. That's incorrect. That should say shipping $30, and I can't remember, we gave you the verbiage for this. It wasn't shipping discount amount, it was something else. I think it was maybe just shipping discount, but I have to look. You can look it up too because we gave it to you. That should be a negative $30, and then shipping should be $0.00, not flat rate. It should never say flat rate. It should say $0.00, so it's showing the calculation. And then let me just, from a UI perspective, shipping should have a colon, shipping discount amount should have a colon. This, I think we had total shipping here in our UI, and there was less space in between these lines. So you can see over here on our live version, okay, if I put in zip code and hit calculate, you see sales tax is X, shipping is Y, right? And you see they both have colons, it's nice and clean, okay? And that's what we need to see on this version as well. This needs to be tightened up. There's too much vertical space, the colons aren't there, and the verbiage is incorrect, and this is not calculating correctly. Or it is calculating correctly, excuse me, but this should have a negative, and this should say 0 instead of flat rate. And then when I go to checkout, all right, so with the same problem over here, shipping is missing the colon. This spacing is correct. Shipping discount amount is missing the colon, and this verbiage is incorrect. Again, you have to look up what we gave you. This should be a negative $30, and this should say shipping, and then instead of flat rate, it should say $0.00, $0.00. Okay, so those are all of the issues that we're seeing with this plugin. I don't want to go further and add more rules to drill it down into our next requirements until we can get this first basic requirement completed properly. So if you could go ahead and do that, fix those things, get back to us, we'll run another test, okay? Thank you.